Eating for mental health. Foods to include and avoid. Eating for mental health is increasingly recognized as vital for overall well-being. Here's a guide on foods to include and avoid for better mental health. Foods to include: fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon, sardines, that support brain health. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are high in vitamins and antioxidants that may improve mood. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries contain antioxidants that can help reduce stress. Nuts and seeds. Walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are good sources of omega-3s and nutrients that promote brain function. Whole grains. Foods like oats, brown rice, and quinoa provide stable energy and help regulate mood. Fermented foods. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi support gut health, which is linked to mental well-being. Dark chocolate. Contains antioxidants and can boost mood, but enjoy in moderation. Avocados. Rich in healthy fats and nutrients that can support brain health. Legumes. Beans and lentils are high in protein and fiber, promoting stable blood sugar levels. Herbs and spices. Turmeric and saffron have anti-inflammatory properties that may enhance mood. Foods to avoid. Processed sugars. High sugar intake can lead to mood swings and energy crashes. Refined carbohydrates. White bread, pastries, and other refined grains can negatively affect mood and energy levels. Fried foods. Trans fats found in many fried foods can contribute to inflammation and mood disorders. Excessive caffeine. While moderate caffeine can boost mood, too much can lead to anxiety and disrupt sleep. Alcohol can affect neurotransmitters and lead to depression and anxiety. Artificial additives. Some preservatives and colorings may be linked to behavioral issues in sensitive individuals. Highly processed foods, often low in nutrients and high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and additives. Red and processed meats, high consumption may be associated with higher rates of depression. High sodium foods, excessive salt can impact blood pressure and overall health. Energy drinks, often loaded with sugar and caffeine, which can lead to mood swings and anxiety. A balanced diet rich in whole, nutrient-dense foods can significantly impact mental health. Incorporating a variety of these foods while minimizing processed and unhealthy options can help support your mental well-being. Always consider individual needs and consult a healthcare provider or nutritionist for personalized advice.